Good afternoon, John here again. Had a viewer say I should go a little more in depth on how I how I did my dados. Well, here's my router. It's an old one. It's kind of like me, old old Hitachi. It's a plunge router. I've but now I don't plunge it when I do it. I have it set to the right depth of how thick I want my dado, and then there's the router bit, just a two-bladed carbide. It's just a half-inch chuck and a half-inch thickness or width on the router bit, and then the sides are what right on each side. I usually go down and then come back and then you're done. But one thing I've never been able to get my square exactly square. So that's why, if you noticed in the last video, I had a clamp here and a clamp there. And that's what I always do, is I kind of split the difference, because my square lines on there, basically I'm covering the lines to where you can't see them, and then I clamp it that way it can't shift on you as you're routing. And then I usually put a clamp over here as well. But just a simple dadoing shelf side procedure, I guess you'd say. I've done it over the years, for many years. It's worked. But yeah, this is the new template, or that I've made, jig, I guess you'd call it, for doing. I needed to make another one anyhow, because I want to be able to do the 16. These sides are 16, and then my old one there, right there, that's for a 12-inch shelf. But got me wondering, it says in John 14:3, I believe, for I go to prepare a place for you, and if I go and prepare a place for you, I'll come again. I often wondered if my place will have shelves. But yeah, that verse isn't lying either, because when my grandma, she was dying of congestive heart failure. When she was dying, she was flailing on the hospital bed for trying to get her breath. And right before she died, she yelled out to my sister was standing there. She yells out, I see Jesus. And my sister says, well, go with him. And she was gone. So yeah, that I'll never forget that. I'll never forget that. I often wonder if I heard an analogy the other day of it was two twins in the womb of their mother, and they, obviously they can't talk, but they were the analogy was, if they could, they would, and they were conscious in the womb, they'd ask each other, do you think there's life outside the womb? And I think the story went on that one thought so and the other one didn't. There couldn't be any life outside of mother. So yeah, it's kind of a similar scenario where we're in right now in this life. Many think there is, and many think there isn't. I know one thing. I've seen fishermen fishing in the river, and they hide the hook. They hide the hook with the bait, and I think that we have two fishermen. One's an evil one that hides the hook with the bait, and the other one gave us a Bible to guide us home. So, alrighty, I don't know how I got off on that. Squirrel? Anyhow, here's my video on the procedure a little better of the dadoing jig. So you all have a good one. God bless.